Okay, starting with numerical number 16, the magnetic field B and magnetic intensity. In some questions, it will be written as a rod or something is subjected to a magnetizing field. That is also denoted by H. That is nothing but magnetic intensity. And still, if you are confused, then Tesla is for magnetic field. Look at the units. Ampere per meter is for magnetic intensity. So your magnetic field is 1.6 Tesla and magnetic intensity is 1000 ampere per meter. Calculate the relative permeability, that is mu r, and susceptibility, that is xi. We all know that, or if you have studied theory part properly, then this is the formula: mu r is equal to mu upon mu naught. So we will have to calculate mu first. Okay, we'll have to calculate mu first. We have magnetic field with us. Magnetic field is mu h. So mu is equal to B upon h. B is 1.6 Tesla and magnetic intensity or magnetic field intensity, that is 1000 ampere per meter, will be my permeability. So I can write it as 1.6 into 10 raised to 3 Tesla. Meter will go of course in the numerator, and if I take this ampere in the numerator, it will become like this, is equal to mu. So we have permeability with us now. So relative permeability is 1.6 into 10 raised to 3 Tesla meter per ampere upon mu naught, that is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Again the same unit, Tesla meter per ampere. So both the units gets cancelled and relative permeability will not have any unit. Okay, now if you see, if I take this 10 raised to minus 3 in the numerator, see, many of the students will do this mistake. They directly cancel 3 and minus 3, but no, you cannot cancel this. If they would have had same signs, then you could have cancelled them, but you see they have opposite signs over here. So 1.6 upon 4 into 3.142, you already have 10 raised to 3 over here. Take this 10 raised to minus 3 in the numerator, that becomes 10 raised to positive 3. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, this becomes 16, 4 fours are 16. So you have 0.4 into 10 raised to 6 upon 3.142. Now you can go with log and anti-log. Anti-log of 0.4 minus log of 3.142 into 10 raised to 6. Okay. I was just checking whether I have taken proper numbers or not. So here we have 0 point, that is bar point, log of 40 का 0, 40 का 0 देखो, log of 0.4 के लिए 40 का 0 देखो, it is 6020 minus, you have just one number, 1 minus 1 is 0 point, 31 का 4 का 2 will give you 4972 into 10 raised to 6. So anti-log, subtract these two digits. Let me show you. Bar 1.6020 minus 0.4972. So this will become 1. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5. 10. This becomes 9. 11 minus 7 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bar 1 minus 0 is bar 1. So bar 1.1048 into 10 raised to 6. So here if you see the log of, okay, I am thinking that I have made any mistake somewhere. Yeah, see, 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 it is. I was thinking that I have made a mistake. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. So if you take this minus 7 in the numerator, see, oh, I will be taking this 1000 in the numerator, so this will become minus 3. Now we have minus 3 over here and minus 7, so we can cancel it. So what remains? 10 raised to minus 4. That if I take in the numerator, so I'll get 10 raised to positive 4. See what kind of silly mistake I have made. This all silly mistake is just due to my cold. If I'm looking down while writing, it is becoming difficult for me to just speak continuously. Okay, check NT log of 1048. NT log of 1048 is 1273. After one digit you'll put point into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to 4. So it is 1.273 into minus 1 plus 4, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So 10 raised to 3, no unit. So this is my relative permeability. Now we need susceptibility. Let's calculate. Mu r is equal to 1 plus susceptibility. So mu r minus 1 will be susceptibility. Mu r is 1.273 into 10 raised to 3 minus 1 is equal to xi. Now you can multiply it with 10 raised to 3, so it will become 1273 minus 1 is equal to xi. Now it is easy. That is 1272, that is xi. Done.